welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Ali Gatie, not the first time, no, many times before. If you're a fan of him, check out my playlist. This song is called Hope, and this is something we really need here in this world, some hope, some light, and that is uplifting. So thank you, Ali, for bringing up this theme. And when it comes to this tutorial, this will go very fast. Okay, we have 4 chords, 1 string pattern, and it rolls in the same way. So let's go into it. Best scenario, capo first, absolute best there. If you don't have any capo, skip it and use the same chords. It will sound a little bit darker, of course. Okay, a half step darker, but it doesn't matter. It's the best and easiest way to perform. So let's go into chords. We have this F kind of chord, F major 7 plus this added G note. So it goes 3rd fret D, 2nd G, 1st B, and that's 3rd E. That's the G note, and we will have that in these 3 out of these 4 chords. So that will follow us. That's F chord. We have the C next. So keep that G note there, and we're gonna play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and that 3rd E. That's the C chord. Next is the G B. You're gonna release that G note now to play this. 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open high E. And then we're gonna go to A minor and back to that G note, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 3rd E. And there you have the chord progression. So F, C, G, B, and A minor. All right, so let's look into the strumming pattern now. We're gonna play like this. So what you do is to start with 2 downs. And I try to separate these 2 downs. The first down on the bass string, and it's not too easy here on this F chord because we only have 4 strings to work with here. So bass, you really have to have a pointy, short downstroke to split the bass from the higher strings. But you can do it, so something like that, okay? So 2 downs, and then you're gonna play up, down, up 3 times. So up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And that is 1 string round. So I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds of this for you to understand the feeling, how it goes. So Alright, I played 4 rounds for you, and that's what you're gonna do, but you're gonna change chords, not stay on the F. So you're gonna play 1 string round per chord. In that order we learned them. So F1, C1, GB1, A minor 1, like this. There you have it, guys. I told you, a fast, speedy tutorial on Ali Gatie's Hope song. I hope to see you soon, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.